Good morning. Welcome to
Mathideas106.
Today we're going to talk a little bit more about binary subtraction. Okay, so remember what numbers mean in binary. Our yellow blocks are ones, and our blue blocks are
two. No, zeros.
zeros, right? So this is the
Ones digit.
This is the ones digit. I'm just trying to make sure if that's on camera. Ones digit. This is the twos digit. This is the fours digit, and this is the eighths digit. So this would be 1, 1, 0, 0, right?
Yes.
Which is 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4, which is?
It's 12.
Plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 1. So this is the number 12. And if we subtract the number, say 1, 1,
That would.
what is the number 1, 1 in binary?
That would. It's 3.
Right, it's 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1, which is 3. So what should we get when we do this subtraction?
Well, we should get 14. No, we should get about 9.
9, yeah. 14. 9. We should definitely get 9. And remember the trick we did. We said all we're going to do is we're going to take the digits and subtract them. 0 minus 1 is?
0 minus 1 is minus 1.
Minus 1. So we used red blocks for minus 1. 0 minus 1 is?
Minus 1
And then we have 1 minus 0 is?
is 1.
1. And 1 minus 0 is?
1.
1. Okay, so now we had a little bit of a problem because this is the number 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. But you can't have minus 1s. Remember, the reds represent holes in the ground, right?
Yeah.
So what we have to do is we have to fill in the holes. So we turn this 4 into what?
Into a 0.
We turn it into a 0, and it becomes 2 2s, right? Because 2 plus 2 is?
2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4.
4, right. 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have this. We have 2 plus 2 minus 2. So the plus 2 and the minus 2 cancel each other out, and we're left with one block. Okay? Now we have this hole. So what do we have to do for that hole?
We have to fill it in.
We have to fill it in again. So how do we do that?
We make that a 0.
We make this 2 a 0, and we turn it into?
2 2s.
2 1s.
2 1s.
Okay, now we have 1 plus 1 minus 1.
1 plus 1 is 2. Now minus 1 is 1.
1, right. So this plus 1 and this minus 1 poof each other away, and we're left with that. Okay? So we get 1 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1, which is?
9.
9, which is just what we thought we were going to get. Okay? And we talked about this on Friday, and I just wanted to review it real quick. But I want you to make up a subtraction, and then you're gonna go ahead and do it, okay? All right, so go ahead. So get some yellow blocks and blue blocks, and make yourself a nice little subtraction problem here, and then we'll figure out what it is. Okay?
See, we should 1 0 0 1
Okay, 1 0 0 1, like that.
plus
No, minus.
minus 1 0 1 1.
Okay. Can we do this the other way around? Can I put this one on top, just to make things a little easier? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're going to do 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0 0 1. Okay? And this is, just to remind you now, this is 8, 1 times 8, plus 0 times 4, plus 1 times 2, which is?
1 time
So it's 8 plus 2 plus?
plus 1, which is 11.
11. And this is 8 plus 1, which is?
9.
9. And what should we get? What should we get when we do 11 minus 9?
11 minus 9, we should get 2.
2. Very good. So show me how to do this now.
So 1 minus.
What? Point to them when you're doing the subtractions.
So 1 minus 1 is 0.
Okay. Go ahead. Put a 0 in there. Good.
1
Point to them.
1 minus 0.
Is?
Minus 0 is 1.
1.
0 minus 0 is
Point to
0.
them when you do them.
0 minus 0 is 1.
It's what?
Is 0.
0. Okay.
No.
Oh, wait a minute. Point to them.
1 minus 1 is 0.
0. Okay. Hey, no, this one wasn't too bad. We get 0 times 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 2 times 1
2 times 1.
plus 1 times 0. So 8 times 0 plus 4 times 0 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 0 is?
Is 2.
2. Just what we were expecting. Okay. Make up one more and then we'll be done.
Okay.
Okay. One more subtraction problem. Put your blocks out there.
Okay. Let's see. 1, 0, 0, 0 plus
No, minus. Let's
minus.
let's put a 1 there.
Okay.
Okay. Minus, and let's do a 3-digit number.
0, 0, 1.
Okay, awesome. This will be fun. Okay, so this is the number 8 times 1 plus 4 times 0 plus 4 times 2 plus 1 times 1. So it's 8 plus 1, which is
9.
9. And this is 4 times 1, and that's it. 2 times 0, 1 times 0. So 9 minus 4 is
It's 5.
5. So we're hoping we get 5. So show me what you do with the blocks now.
Now we do 1 minus
Point to them.
1 minus 0.
Is?
1.
Okay, very good. Point to them.
0 minus 0 is 0.
0. Okay, put a 0 down.
0 minus 1 is minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay.
And 1 minus 0
Is?
1.
Okay.
A 1.
All right, so we get 8 times 1 plus 4 times minus 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 1. So we get 8 minus 4 plus 1, which is actually 5. So we did get the right answer, but in binary we're not allowed to use minus 1s, or in our block game we're not allowed to use red blocks. We have to get rid of that red block. So what do?
You fill in the hole.
Okay, we
By
fill in the hole.
making that a 0.
Wait. That already is a 0. Which one do we make a 0?
We make this one. This
Okay.
one is 0.
Okay, so get a... Okay, and then that becomes what?
And then this becomes this.
What does our 8 become?
Our 8 becomes a 0.
The 8 becomes, right, our 8, the 1 times 8 becomes a 0 there, and what does it turn into?
It turns into, so let's see. We stack these two on top of each other.
Okay, so the 8 turns into 2 4s. Okay? So the 8, just like this, turns into 2 4s. Now, then that's because 4 plus 4 is?
8.
Right. Okay? So what happens now?
Now,
So I have
these poof each other.
those poof each other. And then we're left with that. So this is 1 times 4 plus 1 times 1, which is?
5.
Hey, so you just learned how to do binary subtraction with blocks. Isn't that fun?
Mm-hmm.
All right, good job.